Hey there! I just released the video making this plywood toolbox, and if you haven't seen it, I'll have a link in the description. Now, some of you are probably wondering, what am I going to use this for? I have no idea. I really didn't need a toolbox. I don't really use a lot of toolboxes since most of my stuff is here in the shop, just in drawers. But I thought this would be a fun project to try building something out of 1/4 inch plywood for storing tools, because I have a project coming up and I wanted to try it out for something smaller and simpler first. So I'm not going to spoil the next project, but feel free to guess and kind of ponder what that might be. But yeah, this was a lot of fun. One of the most fun projects I've ever worked on, because it's like you don't have to do this. You don't really save money. So, why build it? For fun. That's really what it all boils down to. But the cool thing is you can customize it. But for this one, I went very basic. It opens up, and then there's a tray on the inside here, and it's just open. So very much what you would expect for any standard toolbox. What's something fun about this is the handles. Originally, I was going to use, actually I have it here, one of these, I think it's for a screen door or something like that, just one of these metal handles. I was going to screw that to the top, and I was going to make a plywood handle, something real simple, just glue plywood pieces to the tray here. And I was worried about that being strong enough, and I was looking for a U-bolt of some kind that would be 1/4 20, but big enough to grab, but something like that's used for a handle. I thought that would be cool. But I couldn't find a good size that would actually work for this. So I ditched that idea, and then I remembered, oh yeah, I have this whole wood shop here. I could make handles. So so that's what I ended up doing. And I just made 2 matching handles for the tray and the top, and that turned out to be a really good idea. And of course, it holds fine. I'm not sure yet how much weight this is going to hold. I'm sure that's something else people are thinking. I'm recording this before posting the video, so I don't know what the comments are. I imagine some people are going to comment about, why I would build something like this when I could buy it. Or people may comment something like, is that going to be strong enough? It's just 1/4 inch plywood. And that's actually what this is about. It's all about testing this out. Because like I said, I have another project in the future that, this is kind of a trial run for. But so far, so good. I think if you use dados and a lot of real joinery, I think plywood could actually be strong enough for something like that. The project I can't tell you about yet. But yeah, honestly, such a fun project. I would really recommend doing this just for the sake of having fun and having something that you don't even have to use it. You could just, I don't know, put it on display or use it for non-tools or something, or I don't know, actually use it for tools. Either way, a lot of fun to build. So yeah, let me know in the comments what you think. If you're planning on building something like this, or I don't know, something you would change, something you would customize about it.